What's Chippy doing today, Kaden?
Fishing. Fishing goldfish.
Why do you think he's doing that?
I don't know. Maybe we decided that because I'm really love fishing like me.
Do you fish? Who do you fish with?
Fishing rod.
And who do you fish with?
Grandpa.
And what did you catch?
2 rainbow trouts.
2 rainbow trout.
Big ones.
Wow.
Yeah.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
And Fishy's and Chippy's doing what?
Doing goldfish with fishing.
He's-
I made this fishing rod.
He's fishing for goldfish though, hey?
And make the fishing rod. Right.
Silly Chippy, hey?
Yeah.
What did you do yesterday?
What?
What did you do? Do you remember?
I forgot.
I think something with sugar.
What's it?
Snow, rain.
Snow angels.
Yeah.